Guys, Andy Farmer here, MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. A quick video walkthrough on this 23 Vantage, year model 2019. This boat has the stainless windows. Moving forward here, we do have the filler cushion to turn this bow area into a sun pad. You can see your base mount here for the bow table. This boat does have the optional sunshades, so go in here and here to give you shade in this area. Also equipped with a cover. Anchor windlass on this one too, guys. All the bells and whistles that you look for in a good one. Freshwater washdown, rinsing your feet off. Cushions are in good shape. Check this out, hard top. This boat is dry stored inside, underneath, colored. Hard top matches the exterior hull as well. Forward here, you got helm seat, good shape, flip up bolster. Moving around, Raymarine, chart plotter, Mercury, system view, Raymarine VHF radio, fusion stereo. We have active trim, Lenco trim tabs with indicator. Remember, we've got this lounger that converts all the way back. So you've got a backrest that way. Or this flips up, makes a lounge going that way. Guys, this is the SUV on the water, the 23 Vantage, and also a flip down aft seat here. Take a look at that. 250 horsepower Mercury outboard, roughly 90 hours on it. It's a nice, clean, used boat that you're looking for. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach. Give me a call at 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day.